Oh, here it is.
Potentially dangerous weather situations. Specially built weather radios will be automatically activated to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of these radios and the warning alarm system will be conducted by the National Weather Service every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. If there is a threat of severe weather, will be postponed to the next available weather day. Reception response and the warning alarm will vary at any given location. This variability normally more noticeable and the warning alarm will vary at any given location. This variability normally more noticeable at greater different working order to provide the most consistent warning service.